Hello everyone. Yes, in this video we are going to look at integration. And integration, we shall first start with the formula for integration. What you have to know about integration, it is the reverse of differentiation. So in case you are given the derivative, for example, dy dx being equal to x power n, then our y will be given by 1 over n plus 1 x power n plus 1 then plus c. That c we shall talk about it later. Then also, if you are given your function, your derivative in terms of fx of x power n, again it will give us fx to be 1 over n plus 1 x power n plus 1 then plus c. And finally, integration, we shall be using this symbol for integration. Integrate x power n dx. Dx, it means you are integrating with respect to x, and this will equal to 1 over n plus 1 then x power n plus 1 plus c. So this c is referred to as arbitrary constant, which can be determined given some conditions. But for now, let's keep it at that level. Let's look at some examples. Our first example, example 1, says find y in terms of x for dy dx is equal to x cubed. If you remember previously, our formula was y equals to 1 over n. Let me write it. Y equals to 1 over n plus 1, then x power n plus 1 plus c. So in this case, our y will equal to 1 over, the n is the power of x, so it is 1 over 3 plus 1, then x power 3 plus 1, then plus c. So in this case, our answer will become y equals to 1 over 4 x power 4 plus c. That one becomes our value of y in terms of x. Then another example 2, find fx in terms of x for the derivative being equal to that. Again, our formula, it is to find fx, it will be 1 over n plus 1 x power n plus 1 then plus c. The more you write this formula, the more you understand it. So try to write it every question you try to do. Then in future it will become easy for you. So our fx will be 1 over, in this case we are having 2, we are going to deal with 1 at a time. So this one is 2, our n is 2, so it will be 2 plus 1, then times 3 x power 2 plus 1. That's the first part. Then the second part, which is plus, still 1 over, this one is power 1. If it doesn't have a power, it is power 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 times 4 x power 1 plus 1, then plus our constant c. Don't forget that. So this one is 1 over 3 times 3x cubed, then plus 1 over 2 times 4x power 2, then plus c, which we can simplify and get this cancelling with that. Let me try to do that. This cancels with that. This reduces this to 2. So we shall be having our final answer as x cubed plus 2x squared then plus c. That's the final answer for this question. Then our last example in this video, example 3. Find the integral of this. Now we've already seen that if you're having more than one term, you just integrate them individually. So we're going to integrate this. That will be x. Let me first write the 1 over 2 plus 1, and then x power 2 plus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1. The power of that is 1. So 1 plus 1, and then times 3x 1 plus 1, and then plus. Now this, without the value of x, I can say 2 is the same as 2x power 0. So we can integrate this. This doesn't change our meaning of 2. So that will be 1 over 1 plus 0, then times 2x power 0 plus 1, then plus our c. So in this case, we shall be having 1 over 3. That is equal to 1 over 3x cubed minus 1 over 2 times 3x squared, and then plus 1 over 1, which is 1, and times 2x power 1, and then plus c. Yes, that is our answer, which can be written in a better form as x cubed over 3, and then minus 3 over 2x squared, and then plus 2x plus c. That one becomes our final answer. Thank you.